What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Millionaire Headquarters Hub, where we talk about money, investing, and building wealth. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest mindset shifts you need to make if you want to become financially free, and that is moving from being a consumer to being an investor. Most people spend their lives as consumers. They buy things, work to make more money, and then buy more things. But investors, they put their money to work so that it grows. If you want to build wealth, you have to make this shift. So let's break down the differences between these two mindsets and show you exactly how to transition into an investor's way of thinking. Consumer versus investor mindset. Consumer mindset works for money and spends most of it on things that lose value. Focuses on instant gratification, new clothes, gadgets, eating out, subscription. Thinks of money as something to spend, not something to grow. Views investing as risky or something only rich people do. Often lives paycheck to paycheck, even if they earn a decent salary. Investor mindset works for money, but also makes money work for them through investing. It delays gratification, invests in assets that grow over time. Thinks of money as a tool to create freedom and opportunities. Sees investing as essential for building long-term wealth. Understands that financial freedom comes from owning assets, not just earning income. Look, I'm not saying you should never buy things you enjoy, but if your money habits only make companies rich while keeping you broke, you'll never build wealth. You need to become someone who owns assets, not just someone who consumes them. Step 1, understand where your money is going. The first step in shifting from a consumer to an investor is knowing exactly where your money goes, and most people don't track their spending. They just swipe their card, pay their bills, and hope there's something left at the end of the month. If that's you, it's time to change. Action steps: 1. Track every dollar you spend for the next 30 days. 2. Identify how much of your income is going toward necessities: rent, food, transportation versus wants, entertainment, shopping, dining out. 3. Find areas where you can cut back so you can redirect that money into investments. If you don't control your money, it will control you. And wealthy people, they know exactly where their money is going. Step 2, learn how to buy assets, not liabilities. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to redirect it toward assets. What's an asset? Anything that puts money in your pocket. What's a liability? Anything that takes money out. Examples of assets versus liabilities. Assets, things that make you money, stocks and index funds, rental properties, businesses, high yield savings and bonds, intellectual property, books, courses, YouTube channels. Liabilities, things that take money away, expensive cars, designer clothes, the latest gadgets, monthly subscriptions you don't use. Action steps: 1. Look at your spending and ask, is this an asset or a liability? 2. Before buying something, ask, will this increase my wealth or just drain my bank account? 3. Commit to spending less on liabilities and investing more in assets. Step 3, start investing as soon as possible. Here's the truth. Investing isn't just for rich people, it's for anyone who wants to build wealth. And the sooner you start, the better. Beginner-friendly investment options. 1. Stock market, open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Vanguard, Robinhood, and start with index or ETF funds like S&P 500 ETFs. I personally use the app public.com and Fidelity. 2. Real estate, buy a rental property or invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, if you're not ready for a full property. Third side business, start a side hustle that generates passive income, YouTube, ebooks, online courses. The key is to start now, even if it's just $100 a month. Small investments today turn into big wealth over time. Step 4, change your circle and keep learning. If you want to change your financial future, surround yourself with people who think like investors. If your circle only talks about spending money but never about making it, it's time to expand your network. Ways to upgrade your money mindset. 1. Follow personal finance YouTube channels. 2. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad Money, Master the Game, and The Psychology of Money. 3. Join networking groups with entrepreneurs and investors. You become like the people you spend the most time with, so surround yourself with people who are serious about wealth building. Final thoughts: your money, your future. At the end of the day, building wealth is a choice. Are you going to keep spending your money the way you always have, or are you going to take control and start investing in your future? Let's recap. First, track where your money is going. 2. Buy assets, not liabilities. 3. Start investing ASAP. 4. Change your circle and keep learning. Drop a comment below. What's one change you're making to shift from a consumer to an investor? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more wealth building strategies. See you in the next video.